To all, today let me explain differential equation, how to find out order and degree of a differential equation, whether it is a homogeneous or non-homogeneous, whether it is a linear differential equation or non-linear differential equation. Let me explain one by one. See, let us take one question. You start from P0, nth order derivative plus P1 n minus 1 derivative dx n minus 1 plus p2 n minus 2 derivative. It will continue like this up to last. It will be pn y is equal to q. This is the format given where p0, p1, p2 up to pn, these are all function of x. Okay, where p0, p1, p2 dot up to pn and q also are the function of x. Okay, function of x only, and p0 should not be 0. p0 should not be equal to 0. This is the main part. And if this q equal to 0, then this is a linear differential equation form. Linear differential equation is written in this form. And if q is equal to 0, means right hand side, if q is equal to 0, then this linear differential equation will be homogeneous. Then it will be homogeneous. Linear differential equation. Okay, it is clear, I think. Homogeneous linear differential equation means the right hand side will be 0 and this will be in this form, and therefore it is a type of homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation. Why I am telling it is linear differential? Because there is no degree here. That means degree here 1. The highest order derivative, the degree is 1 here. The nth order derivative, the highest order is in this case nth order. That means in this function here, in this equation, order is n, and degree is how much? Degree is 1. For this equation, order is n, degree 1. Whenever the degree is 1, then it is called a linear differential equation. In case of non-linear, the degree will be more than 1. That means maybe 2, 3 like that. Okay. That is, in case of degree 1, that will be called linear differential equation. This is the condition for linear differential equation. Degree should be 1, order may be anything. Okay. Let us go to the another question like this. Question number 2. If it is given dy by dx whole square plus 1 whole root over is equal to 2x minus dy by dx. This is the question given. Suppose. So what is the order of this order and degree? First of all, you have to square in both sides. This should be dy dx whole square will come, here also it will come. Therefore, order is first order derivative is that dy dx. Order is 1. And degree will be how much? Degree will be the dy dx whole square, means 2. The order 1, first order derivative, highest order is 1 and highest degree will be 2, whole square given. Degree 2. I hope it is clear. and this is a differential equation having order of 1 and degree 2. Let us take one more question. See, this is the differential equation order. In this differential equation, what is the degree and what is the order? See, this is the second order derivative. Therefore, order is highest order is 2. And degree is how much? Degree means the power of say highest order, that is 3. Degree 3, and order 2. Okay? Let us solve some question today. I am going to exercise. See, one question given dy dx plus 5y equal to 0. Tell me, so what is the order here? First order derivative, order equal to 1, and degree is how much? Degree means the highest order, each one, and that power, order 1 and degree also 1. It is a linear differential equation or not? Linear differential equation. Order 1, it is a linear differential equation. Okay, let us go number 2. Question number 2 is giving y double dash plus y square equal to 0. Now tell me, so what is the order and degree? This is second order derivative. Actually, this can be written as d square y by dx square plus y square equal to 0. So what is the order here? Order equal to 2, and degree is how much? Degree also 1. Degree 1. Yes or no? Very carefully follow here. Order 2, degree means power of second order derivative. Power, there is no power here, means 1. Is it a linear or non-linear? It is a non-linear. Okay, it is a non-linear. Non-linear differential equation. Let us take next question, number 3. Just you see. Next question you see, d square y by dx square is equal to sin x plus cos x. So what is the order? In this question, order is how much? Order second order derivative, that means order 2. And degree is how much? Degree is 1. Degree is 1. Is it a linear or not? Linear differential equation. Linear differential. Let us go next question. Let's see next question. See the question number 4. d cube y by dx cube plus 7x square into dy dx is equal to 5x square minus 2y. So this is third order derivative. This is the highest order. The order equal to 3, and that power degree highest order, that is 3, and degree is 1. It is a linear differential equation. It is a linear differential equation. Let us go next question number 5. Okay, just to see. Let us consider one more question, and this is the last question for today, to find order and degree. This is fourth order derivative. This is third order, second order, first order, y1, y dash, and y equal to 0. Now tell me, it is a linear differential equation, no doubt. It is a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. So what is the order? Order means highest order is what? 4. Fourth order derivative agent, and degree is 1. Okay. In this one today I have discussed few questions regarding to find order and degree of the given differential equation, whether it is homogeneous. It is homogeneous. Whenever we give right hand side is 0, homogeneous, and it is linear or non-linear. Okay. Thank you for today's class.